Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can upload UGC items in Roblox. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Upload UGC Items Roblox. After that, open the official website and there will be some requirements your account must meet in order to be able to upload assets. If you just scroll down towards the bottom of the page, and you can see that there is an article on how you can upload an asset, and there are all of the steps mentioned in order to do that. But first you must need to learn about the marketplace guidelines. Simply go to this embed and you can see that there are all of the guidelines mentioned. So make sure to not upload any asset that goes against the community guidelines of Roblox. After you have completely read them, open a new tab on your current browser and search for roblox.com. Now click on the Create tab at the top of your screen and then click on Dashboard. After that, select the avatar items. Now just upload the asset, set its name, description, and upload it. After uploading it, open it again and put it on sale. Then set the amount you want to sell it for. Once you have set the amount, save the asset and you are done. So that's basically how you can upload UGC items in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.